Go. Let's see how long this one takes. James is off to a great start. His wool mittens seem to be having problems getting the tire unseated.
Got this shit rim tape in here I told you about.
He's already started complaining. Already blaming it on the rim tape. This is a great strategy. Now he seems to be doing the outside approach, whereas most people tend to do the tire lever on the inside approach. Oh, gloves are coming off. It's getting serious.
Are you recording this shit?
No, I'm not recording this.
Okay.
That would be kind of childish.
He's narrating, not recording. What is wrong with your tire lever?
Ah, now blaming it on the tire lever, which just promptly fell out of his hand. You know, those triathlete hands, they get pretty weak, just kind of dangling out there on the end of the aero bars. Don't have the grip strength that they usually have.
Now I'm just getting ready to like... Yes, thank you.
Yeah, no, it's just Scott Thomas. He's fine.
Thank you, though.
Maybe on the second lap you can look after Scott.
I hope I don't need to lift. If I do, I'm going to be very upset.
Thank you, ma'am. See ya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Try not to kill us.
Okay.
What caused this flat?
Probably a gradual loss.
I mean, I don't
How the hell would I come back here?
Fuck y'all.
My swimming friends are a lot nicer.
No, they're not.
Harder to talk.
It is.
People
I have
shit
no,
when
I have no
mouth is
friends.
full of water.
I don't know. Do you think, I mean, anything here?
Do you feel anything
No,
inside?
I don't.
I promise that here I practice before the ride, it was fine. I'll tell you what though, this
Did you hit a rock? You pop anything in a corner?
I didn't hear anything. I just felt it coming down my hood. Just heard it feeling kind of squishy. Yeah, 'cause that's still trying to get the tire up there. Good news is, I think Matt's actually going to be able to fix my shoulder here. Oh, my knee's actually gotten a lot better now. My shoulder hurts so bad I can barely lift my arm. That's my shoulder's what's going now. Dude, I'm 50 years old. Give me a break. I'm not like a young puppy like you. Motorcycle wrecks, drugs. I mean,
Where's your cartridge at? They're tightened right now.
I got one of those new ones because that was giving me problems last time I did it. I lost my saddlebag, so I had to take my old. That's what I was afraid of. The shit is starting to come on. And of course it's what I was reading last time. It's dead. That's not working.
Yeah, I got one. That's the one I have, and I paid like a lot of money for that. It's supposed to be a good one. Definitely not.
Well, I probably just messed up the last time I used it, so I got a new one.
You sure it wasn't a used cartridge? Yeah.
No.
It was a used cartridge. Yeah, it was new. I just screwed it in.
I know I'm retarded, but I'm not that bad.
You're not supposed to say that.
What are you doing now?
Retarded? The unfortunate thing is that that sums it up pretty well. You're describing Mike time.
Well, that's not really good. It is very, got these giant bulbous tires on there.
That's what she said.
It's not really
A giant ball.
He did put
another one on there?
Oh, that's the only one I've got.
Is that
I
yours?
don't like using other people's cartridges.
Where's the one I get?
It's right there.
Okay. Never mind, I should have a spare in the car when we get back.
Can you get back to use one?
Stop ball fire.
Yeah, don't put too much in the machine. There's only maybe 60, 70 pounds in there. That's weird. This cartridge is a piece of
Oh, it freezes. Did you freeze it? Hey lady, can you come back? Wait.
You're not recording anymore, are you, Tommy?
Oh no, it's full recorded.
You just use a cartridge to flatten the tire.
Yep. Well, you didn't use it. Something told me to stay home today.
This thing you never did poke a hole in this.
This thing is fucked up. What?
Okay, this is still a good cartridge, by the way. So, this is.
What's messed up? What's wrong?
You want to use mine?
I think you broke it. No, I think.
Well, I don't know. The rate we're going.
We're gonna keep going until we run out of cartridges.
And then we're gonna go get
Where you riding from?
Oh, the school, Appleton Elementary.
Where you going?
Just.
we're doing loops, but
Put that there, don't worry. I think we're good.
Good luck with that.
Thank you.
thank you, sir. Thank you for asking. Valve stem now?
It's not holding there.
That is.
There might be a little bit more, but
I knew we should have stopped it. What if the tube is bad?
yeah, I think there's something still. The valve is messed up.
We don't want to be cartridges, man. Out of the way. And the tube, I mean, it's the tube. Wire. Guys, I'm sorry. I don't.
Where's the.
That was a brand new tube, too.
Where's that lever at?
What is going on? You got man through it somewhere.
Something's not normal.
Yeah, it's just not remotely how it's supposed to work. Not even a little bit.
We can't possibly be this stupid, even though it looks that way. Viewers. I'm gonna post this on some how not to fix a flat.
You set it down, it was right by your foot. You stepping on it?
Just give you that like 12 times.
Oh, wait.
What's going on here, man? Trying to find where there's a flat in this damn thing. Find what caused the problem.
Oh.
You shouldn't be this hard. It's not usually what she says.
Depends on you talk. That's just like 3 days later. I do not have my leather. Oh, wait.
Oh, here, you have that right.
Okay, it's not in the title. Going into my pocket.
Thanks! Thanks! I needed to empty my pockets there.
Is that tube still holding?
Dude, you need to get some new ones.
Is it causing issues here? It shouldn't be. I mean,
They just,
I mean, it's all metal.
I asked them. Hey lady, come back. If I have my jacket, maybe just ride my ass back to the car if I can.
you just run back. It'll be alright.
It is
I
not the
forgot
title.
who I was talking to. No.
No bugs.
Unless it's the tube itself that's just bad.
I think it could have been a phone. Phone valve.
Okay, so OU CO2, you OU a tube, OU a CO2.
Give me $10 for a new bag.
You gave me your old bag.
But Tom, remember, you're going to get royalties off this footage.
I
so.
think I will.
You gave me your old bag that didn't even have a zipper on it. Bastard. Could have given me a new one.
I'm just thinking of the tags that I should put on the YouTube. Four Stooges on not to fix the flat.
Triathlon skills.
Actually, I do have to say I am very thankful that all of you guys are here because I would have probably shot myself with it. Because I thought it was something I did. When I blew air into it, it held it.
And I'll puff.
I'm like Thomas the Tank Engine.
Oh, wait. Can he do another warm-up lap after this? Yeah.
This is going to hurt like a mother.
So yeah, your for starters, your thing that pierces the thing is completely gone. You need to clear that.
Yeah, well see, I knew something was wrong with it, I just didn't know what.
So let's use this newfangled
You got mesothelioma, James? You hardly blew this thing up, man.
Did you work at a shipyard? Install asbestos? Call that 1-800 number on TV.
Well, one of the antiarrhythmics I was looking into getting on it has this permanent side effect of pulmonary fibrosis.
You guys
English,
sound all
please.
smart, use those medical terms and everything.
Need some help there?
All
All right
right,
there?
we need some of that candy come down.
Blew this tube up.
Let's go.
Here, Chief. You finish that up.
Your tires are the baggiest, flabbiest.
Yeah, it's like, hey,
They're like
Hey, you know, don't
four
be
sizes
hating.
too big.
You know where I got those?
Yeah, that's right. But you put them on your
Yeah, yeah.
Your
Sh-
knockoff
yeah, you notice when I say
Chinese
that,
zips.
do you notice how when I said that, his yeah, you got him.
I used to trying to put
That shut him up pretty
tubeless
quick.
tires on, which are like impossible.
you're like, yeah, I'm surprised you don't like roll the damn tires off going around a corner.
All
Well,
right,
he
see,
doesn't
as
ride
soon
that
as you
fast,
say
so-
that, now I'm gonna have that thought in my head every time I take a corner now.
All right, see, that's tube is probably. Anything in there? Well, I just spin it around. That was really lucky.
Okay.
Surprised they even waited for us.
Get it knocked out a whole lot. See, that's how the inflator's supposed to look. Doesn't it look like that?
Spin.
Looks good.
Get your crack pipe.
You hold my back on me. Let me see if my shoulders got some of that stuff I can't. Scott? No, do that. Oh, where did you get that? I just
Which
said
way
hold
does it go?
the mic. I
He'd
was
probably be in that lady's car.
Those little spiky things go on the ride?
You know what? I'm not in the mood for your ass battery.
How many tubes did you go through? 'Cause you
We're not going to talk about that.
This was probably the most expensive flat ever. A local
And you're
bike
filming
shop
the
for
whole
like
thing, Tom. You know that, right?
updating their business
Yes.
plans.
Okay.
Oh, he was narrating a minute ago.
Yeah, I just got
Yeah.
tired of it because it was taking too long. I figured this was like a 2-minute affair.
It's been about a 20-minute affair for the county.
Yeah, Arden's just shaking her head.
There's
going,
gonna
"What
be
are these
documentary
idiots?"
I'm like, do y'all know
royalties
how
on
to
this.
change a tire?
It's just, I don't know what the hell is going on.
Yeah, come back to that.
I really don't know.
And so, do y'all have everything you need? Like what?
Well, my cartridge can use it.
Just 3 tubes. 3 or 4 cartridges.
I got Fix-A-Flat for my tubulars.
Now you tell us.
I don't know if they were working.
Okay,
Does it
everybody
even
got
work
the
in a
time on
tube?
that?
Can you
Yep.
put
Is
it
that
in
going
a
to be the highlight of your...
That was the highlight reel.
That kind of sucks.
So you got it on yet?
No, he's still doing the little...
Leave no trace, Scotty.
The nuts grade thing.
Put your damn wheel on. Don't wait for me. I'll mess it up.
No, you won't.
Hey, hey, hey.
No, you won't.
Okay.
Keep it filming.
I didn't.
Oh, yeah, I just got, you know what?
What?
I'm breaking your camera.
Are you?
I do know where you live, by
With
the way.
your face. Okay, and we're done. Oh wait, I want to get this car approaching in case he kills us.
He's got to make sure it's true. Don't forget your brakes.
Going along.
Seriously, Scott, what the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, make sure your steer's pointing along the table.
Come on, I'm gonna run out of battery on the GoPro, Scott.
Oh, yeah.
You guys like button Jeff over here for like 20 minutes. You want to film me put my wheel back on.
You clear that fast? 20.
I took it right off the trainer and
Oh, yeah, yeah. So,
You're gonna get your
yeah, I got it.
CO2 head there?
Yeah, the one that I'm going to throw away when I get back.
Probably talking.
Okay, I think we're good to go now. Finally.